I'm not going to give up with this barn owl. Good morning all, hope you're well this morning. Out looking around again this morning. I had a couple of shots in the past of barn owls, and it's certainly one of my target species still. Would love to see a decent barn owl close up. Seen them in captivity, and got some nice photos in captivity, but not in the wild. Got a couple of photos in the wild when it was getting really dark one night, but I really would like to get some decent barn owl shots. So yeah, let's have a hunt around. I've heard there might be one in the area. Have seen a fleeting glimpse of one as well, so we just have to keep our fingers crossed and see what turns up. So let's go. Good morning. It's day 2 of a hunt really for the barn owl. Saw a fleeting glimpse yesterday, but nothing much really. Nothing we could get a photo of or anything. But we're going to head off to the same area and just have a look and try our luck this morning. So it's a beautiful morning, the sun's just rising. It's just gone 7 o'clock in the morning, and absolutely fantastic. So let's go and see whether we can get any luck this morning. So stick with me. So we're just lying down here on the grass, just waiting to see if anything does appear today. You just got to be patient. There's nothing else you can do with it. There's no point in chasing wildlife around. You really do just have to wait for it to come to you. That's the best way to get any decent shots. Otherwise, walking around, you're just going to scare it off all the time. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Give it a little while here. And hopefully we might see something. So I've just changed my location. One of the problems where I was the sun was coming up in the background. It was okay while the sun was really low and hadn't quite risen properly. But once the sun got up, then I was struggling to really focus on anything with the sun in the background. And it is very bright this morning, so it wasn't helping at all. Not seen any sign of the owl yet this morning. I mean, my big hope is that it's in this field out here where I'm looking now. It looks like an ideal sort of hunting ground for the owls. The grass is low. I'm sure there's plenty of small mammals in here for the owl to feed on. and I have seen a small nest box for the owl not far away as well. So it's all stacking up for the right things. So we have seen a sign of it yesterday actually, but there's a little chiff chaff in the background you can probably hear. But yeah, we'll just sit it out and we'll wait and see if we get anything. It's probably getting a bit too late in the day now. I think the owl would have been out earlier if he was going to come out. But you never know, so we'll just sit tight for a bit and see what happens. Got a few nice shots of a buzzard going overhead, quite nicely lit up in the sunshine. A little bit too far away, but I think we can probably get something out of that. But yeah, but very nice. I'm not sure what that is, just flown over my head while I'm talking to you, but probably something else I've missed. Oh no, just a pigeon, I think, by the looks of it. A wood pigeon. So yeah, that's quite nice, the buzzard. Yeah, definitely. It looks like we're going to be out of luck with the barn owl today. Not much chance of it showing now. That's how it goes, isn't it? Sometimes you get what you want, sometimes you don't, and probably more often, to be honest, you don't get what you want. But yeah, it's been a great morning anyway. I've got a few shots I'll tag on to the end of the video. Some herons, struggling to get. There's been a few green woodpeckers going past, but too quick for me, so I don't think I've got anything of those. Tried to get a magpie in flight, but I think it's probably too far away really. But I'll hopefully drop a few shots if there's any good ones when I get back and have a look at them. And yep, thanks for joining me again. I'm not going to give up with this barn owl. What I will say is keep tuned. I'm going to come out for several weeks now to see if it's around. I've seen it, so you know that's enough to keep me interested. So yes, so keep watching the channel. If you like the video, it's been a bit of a failure this time, but you know, nothing exciting. But you know, if you still like the video, click the like button below, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again. Bye for now.